Zinc is an essential trace element that plays a crucial role in numerous physiological functions. Despite its importance, zinc deficiency is a widespread issue, affecting nearly 1/3 of the world's population. The consequences of low zinc levels can be severe and multifaceted, impacting various aspects of health. Here, we explore the 7 main deficiencies associated with low zinc levels. 1. Immune system dysfunction. One of the most significant impacts of zinc deficiency is on the immune system. Zinc is vital for maintaining the integrity and function of immune cells, such as neutrophils, macrophages, and T and B lymphocytes. A lack of zinc can lead to increased susceptibility to infections, particularly respiratory and gastrointestinal infections. It can also result in impaired wound healing due to reduced collagen synthesis and cell proliferation, and a higher risk of chronic inflammatory conditions. 2. Growth retardation and developmental issues. Zinc is crucial for growth and development, especially in children. Low zinc levels can result in stunted growth due to impaired cell division and protein synthesis, delayed sexual maturation and developmental delays, and cognitive and motor development issues in infants and young children. 3. Dermatological problems. Zinc deficiency often manifests through various skin-related issues, including dermatitis, characterized by dry, scaly, and inflamed skin. It can also cause acne and other skin lesions, as zinc plays a role in regulating skin inflammation and bacterial growth. Hair loss and brittle nails due to impaired keratin production are also common symptoms. 4. Gastrointestinal disorders. Zinc is essential for maintaining the health of the gastrointestinal tract. A deficiency can lead to a loss of appetite and anorexia, contributing to further nutritional deficiencies. It can also cause diarrhea, which can exacerbate zinc loss and lead to a vicious cycle of deficiency and malabsorption of other essential nutrients, worsening overall nutritional status. 5. Cognitive and mental health issues. Adequate zinc levels are necessary for proper brain function and mental health. Deficiency in zinc can cause cognitive impairments, including memory and learning difficulties. It can also lead to mood disorders such as depression and anxiety, as zinc is involved in neurotransmitter function and brain signaling pathways. Additionally, there is an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases due to oxidative stress and inflammation. 6. Reproductive health problems. Zinc is vital for reproductive health in both men and women. Low levels of zinc can result in reduced fertility due to impaired sperm production and quality in men. It can also cause menstrual irregularities and complications during pregnancy in women, as well as an increased risk of congenital abnormalities and complications during childbirth. 7. Sensory and taste disorders. Zinc plays a crucial role in the function of taste and smell receptors. Deficiency can lead to hypogeusia or ageusia, reduced or loss of taste, and hyposmia or anosmia, reduced or loss of smell. An overall decreased enjoyment of food can lead to poor dietary intake and further nutritional deficiencies. Zinc deficiency is a global health concern with far-reaching effects on various bodily functions. Ensuring adequate zinc intake through a balanced diet or supplementation is essential for maintaining overall health and preventing these deficiencies. Foods rich in zinc include meat, shellfish, dairy products, nuts, seeds, and legumes. For individuals at risk of deficiency, such as pregnant women, young children, the elderly, and those with certain medical conditions, regular monitoring and appropriate dietary adjustments or supplementation are crucial. Addressing zinc deficiency can significantly improve health outcomes and quality of life.